here, we are ready to talk about this next item, which is absolutely perfect. It is a 4-piece stackable bowl set in a wire rack. First of all, it's the vertical storage for me that's like
You're right.
exactly what we all crave and need, because we don't ever store things vertically. Now we can with this perfect stackable set. An amazing value for $25.74 and 5 easy payments of $5.15. Now you're saving $5 tonight off of that original QVC price. This is the first day we've ever presented these at this super low price.
Wow.
Very, very special. And we have lots of colors to take you through. So in our old world, we have it available in the confetti, gray.
Love that.
Love this. Yellow, blue, green, and taupe. In the floral lace, we have it in the gray, blue, red, black, cranberry, and the yellow. In the woodland, we have it in the gray, slate blue, taupe, and buttercream.
Beautiful.
And then, very limited in our woodland land here. Buttercream and taupe, we only have 3 dozen in each of those, so hurry on those too. We also have it in patriotic. I just need to show you all the patriotism there.
Look
150.
That's it?
150 in patriotic.
Okay.
And then the palm, which someone pointed out, the matte.
Isn't that gorgeous?
In the palm. Look at that.
Highs and lows all throughout this. And by the way, like remember from earlier in the show,
look at that.
There's a whole palm collection we got going on here
whole
tonight.
Palm.
So,
and there's a palm leaf inside.
Yes, absolutely gorgeous.
Lisa.
I know, absolutely gorgeous.
So cute.
And this is, you nailed it. This is part of our vertical storage, right?
Right.
So the fact that there's a place for everything. It goes right next to, right next to maybe your coffee maker, right next to your slow cooker, whatever it is, your Instapot. You know, there's so many ways to use this. And then when you want to take it on the go, super easy. But when I think about $6 and change for a hand-painted bowl, oh, Steve, you know what? If you picked up the dinnerware, pick this up so you get 4 extra bowls to go with it, because we don't have open stock on the bowls.
Oh, that is so smart. Yes, and so cool because you can literally get it in your design, and now you have something round in addition to all the square.
Absolutely.
Which is really, really cute. But look at all of the fun different things that we've created here. Please spoon some in.
You know, when we talk about bowls, bowls are so popular in our line because they're bakers. So the fact that not only are they great for prepping, serving, of course, but they can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. It's a great size, 22 ounces. So I think that's a really nice, it's a good dinner and lunch size, right?
It is. It's definitely. I mean, it
smells so
It smells amazing.
Why are we so hungry today?
We're so hungry.
We're so hungry.
We've got lots of food options here for after the show.
Look at this. This is amazing. And then,
perfection.
If you want to talk about this, I'm going to run to the oven.
Yeah, definitely.
Look how cool that is.
I mean, I love this amazing sort of salmon fillets on top of these veggies and risotto that we have here. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. Easily done when you have it all just sort of set up nice and simple. But just the fact that they all nest in that amazing wire rack, as Lisa was saying, this is such an easy way for you to just up and go and take this anywhere you might need to. Maybe you're going to be on your today's special value grilling out in the back. I was just talking about my dad does this amazing fried rice on his out in the backyard, and it'd be so easy for him just to take this out there. Oh, we only have 100 left in patriotic.
Got it.
Well, got it. So we're gonna move with this one. Did you just pull beef stew out of the oven?
Out of the oven. So great. It's great to serve in. We showed the soup, right? I love the story about your dad, right? Carried out to the grill because it's so portable. But yes, we did some beef stew in here, and then come on down to the front where we did some individual desserts, right?
Perfect.
Love this because imagine picking up the gray woodland and pairing it with a doodle-doo dinnerware.
Yes.
And this is now what you're going to have for dessert.
So beautiful.
Absolutely stunning. And I love how you talked about the bowls over there. I could also see you doing fruit salad in here because it's going to keep your cold foods colder longer.
Yes.
Ice cream sundaes.
Oh, so many things. Yogurt parfaits.
Oh, yes.
I look at something like this and I'm like, wow, this would be such a great way to prep and get ahead in as well, because you're able to put those right into the fridge, or maybe you're going to put them into the oven. Maybe everyone gets their own individual mac and cheese.
Oh, okay.
Right?
And I love that because maybe you want bacon on it, maybe you want tomatoes on it. This patriotic pattern is so gorgeous. Look at that.
I love it.
Doesn't it just make you smile?
It does. I'm ready for 4th of July. I'm ready for the sun.
Yeah.
I'm just ready for some sunshine.
Warmer temperatures? Yes, totally.
Let me tell you about all of the different colors we have because they're going so fast. People are absolutely loving what we have here, and we have them available in all of these different gorgeous patterns. So right here is that old world in that confetti. We also have it available in gray, yellow, blue, green, taupe, and in the floral lace it's gray, green, red, black, cranberry, yellow. Your woodlands are very, very popular. This is the gray, slate blue, taupe, and buttercream. These are very, very last call on buttercream, so hurry on that one. And only a dozen left in that taupe, so hurry on those. We also have it in the patriotic, just less than 100 in that patriotic, and then that palm, a dozen in the palm.
That's it?
Wow.
They're so pretty.
I mean, they're really, really beautiful.
Wow.
Over 300 picked up in the show alone already. So people are loving these. And I just, you know, when you think about like all of that space you have in your cupboards, and you're like, okay, everything's sort of stacked and kind of not really sort of taking advantage of all the real estate and space in there. Well, now you can because you're getting that up nice and high. This is perfection.
I love this. So if you picked up the dinnerware, we have a lot of matching colors that would match back to the dinnerware. Think about how often you're reaching for a bowl.
Yeah.
You know, a bowl, this is what makes this so awesome, because a bowl for breakfast, yogurt parfait, cereal, oatmeal, right? Whatever that is.
Yep.
Then lunchtime, cereal, quinoa bowls, or not cereal, sorry, soup, quinoa bowls, stews, things like that. Dinner, chicken pot pies, right?
So many.
Soufflés can go in here.
Your French onion soup.
French onion soup.
It's going right into the oven.
100%. Everyone is so pretty, and this rack, it just, I try so hard to be organized. Do you?
Oh yeah,
I know.
definitely.
And it's not that easy.
It's not.
This makes it so easy for you, and at just about $6 a piece.
You cannot beat that.
Yes.
You cannot beat that.
No,
now, this
for sure.
is the first day you've ever seen these at this very, very low price, which is so special.
Yeah.
Our buttercream option has left the building, so we're just going to remove this one here. I'm going to put it right back here, and it's not easy to move too, which we've been saying.
Just pick it up,
makes
right?
it so easy, so convenient.
Great for a camper,
to do that.
great for a beach house, you know, whatever it is. And I love the fact that we have the old world, we have the floral lace, we have woodland, and we have seasonal.
Ugh.
You'll never see that seasonal again this year, because once that's gone, the palm and the patriotic, they're gone till 2024.
Once it's done, it's done.
Once it's done, it's done.
Okay, so that you heard it first from Lisa Lasort. That is your last opportunity to grab palm and patriotic. An amazing, beautiful way to get those 4 nesting bowls home in that awesome, awesome price point for $25.74 and 5 easy payments of $5.15. So beautiful. Love this one.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah,
just so pretty.
Yes. So earlier we were looking at this amazing cracker tray.